Security is a priority for you and your family. You want to protect them while you are home and away. Other products leave loved ones at home vulnerable, especially those that can be tech-challenged and those that don't have their own devices. You want everyone in your family to know who is at your front door. Introducing Breno Duo Smart Peephole Door Cam, the ultimate home security solution. The Duo's innovative design turns existing peepholes into a powerful smart camera. Installation is so easy, you can do it yourself in seconds. Breno offers the innovative solution that allows dual screens for local and remote live view. Breno is also the first provider to offer local and remote storage, so you always know who has stopped by. The retrofit design keeps the camera hidden, giving you clear front images of visitors. With the DIY installation and no hidden cloud fees, you can keep your budget in check. Save smart on your smart device. With the Breno Duo Smart Peephole Door Cam, you can feel safe knowing everyone in your family can open the front door with confidence. Made for your family. Breno Duo Smart Peephole Door Cam.
This is iGulu, the world's smartest home brewing machine. Beer is the oldest and world's most widely consumed alcoholic beverage, with thousands of years of history and brewing tradition. But time has changed. With iGulu, now everybody can brew beer. iGulu keeps the brewing, cooling, and fermentation processes in one single machine. All you need is the machine and the right ingredients. You can easily create your own beer styles with simple operations. All brewing processes can be tracked, monitored, and controlled with a simple LCD screen user interface. After filling the ingredients, the user can select a recipe from the library based on the styles, grains, hops, and yeasts the users want to use. iGulu will do the rest of the work automatically. Our system also allows you to use different mini kegs for fermentation in your fridge. With iGulu's mobile app for Android and iOS, you can connect, control, and monitor the whole brewing process. Stay informed for every single step, and even receive a notice once the process is complete. The iGulu social platform provides users hundreds of standard recipes well built by excellent brewers around the world. You can order different recipes through the app website and receive ready-to-brew packages. Now you can taste a beer from the other side of the world, just at home. If you want to be more creative and following recipes is too boring for you, then just create your own recipes. Yes, you can play around, and once you've found the perfect mix, just save it for next time, or share it on the platform with other users. Create the color, strength, and individual flavor you want. There are no limits to your creativity. iGulu maintains the integrity of the natural ingredients. You can also use hops and malt from your local farmer and try to create a regional taste. The machine is designed with a lot of passion and focus on details. It looks great in any environment. Our electrical and mechanical engineers have spent countless hours on this project to test and optimize our initial design again and again. Now we are ready for mass production and have a fully working prototype and an app with recipes, including an online store for the ingredients. It is not only our goal to create an excellent product, but also to find the best recipes and create a platform for beer lovers. Therefore, we also worked with excellent breweries and did a lot of experiments for different recipes. Handcrafted beer can be an art. For thousands of years, professional brewers have been trying to optimize their recipes. Now, everyone can brew. All you need is iGulu. We are going to make a great change for beer lovers. It makes it easy and fun for everyone to brew their own beer. Place your bid, invite your friends, and impress with your own handcrafted beer. Cheers to iGulu.
Introducing the Moon by OneRing, the world's first smart camera to defy gravity. The unique stabilized levitation technology, coupled with advanced wireless resonant charging capability, allows the Moon by OneRing to to not only endlessly levitate above its stand, but noiselessly rotate in any direction with a simple swipe of your finger, leaving no spot unnoticed. We have equipped the camera with the latest generation full HD CMOS sensor, with a pixel area much larger than that of any ordinary home security solutions. Combined with a bright, wide-angle lens, the Moon by One Ring captures considerably more light than an average home monitor camera, resulting in incredibly crisp and clear images, even in dimly lit conditions. Two built-in precision microphones on each side of the lens automatically detect the direction of incoming sound and adjust the camera's field of view accordingly, making sure it captures every moment. We have also integrated a high-quality loudspeaker and an additional third microphone for HD noise cancellation, so you'll not only see and hear what happens around the camera, but can also communicate, making the Moon by One Ring a natural choice for video calls both at your home and in your office. For over 2 years, our team has been dedicated to designing the Moon with a single goal in mind: to create the most advanced and versatile smart home solution in the world. To achieve this, we have opted to combine the major home automation standards of Z-Wave, Zigbee, and Bluetooth Smart with a beautiful, easy-to-use and feature-rich camera, giving you an unparalleled flexibility in building or expanding your very own smart home or office.
Meet Loon Arrow, world's first smart aquarium that automatically feeds your fish, maintains temperature, and monitors quality of water. Our 7-step premium filter dramatically reduces noise level while keeping your Loon Arrow's water crystal clear. No matter where you are, now you have full control of your fish tank. Loon Arrow lets you keep an eye on your fish anytime you're away with a built-in HD camera. Made of ultra-durable stainless steel and premium acrylic, Loon Arrow is ideal for both marine and freshwater fish, corals, and plants. The built-in food feeder and super easy application make it easy to schedule and feed your fish for up to a week without refilling. Industry-leading full-spectrum Cree LED stripe mimics natural light to help corals and fish achieve the best balance. A team of dedicated fish keepers and professional aquarists stand behind Loon Arrow's technology, making aquarium maintenance and the fish keeping experience easier and more fun. Now you can relax and enjoy your life with Loon Arrow.
The quality of our air is influenced by the places we live in. Breathing healthy air and staying in contact with nature makes us feel better, happier, more productive, and live better. But unfortunately, we spend almost 90% of our time indoors, and even if we don't realize it, indoor air can be really polluted. The World Health Organization has in fact stated that indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. But how can we improve the quality of the air and live better? With Natede, Clairy's new product, It's been created to bring healthy fresh air and be the most beautiful design object you will ever have.
On the market right now, there are only ugly and traditional air purifiers that work with expensive filters that have to be replaced often. So the intuition was to use nature.
Some plants, in fact, have a special ability to eliminate the most common toxic agents in the air, thanks to microorganisms that live in their roots. Natede, thanks to a technology unit, amplifies these properties.
We created the most amazing natural air purifier on the market. And thanks to your support, it was an incredible success. More than 2,000 bakers from over 52 countries in the world believed in us and are now loving the product.
We won several awards, and most of all, our team grew from only 3 of us to almost 20 people.
So we really grew up, and also Clairy grew up. And here we are, ready to launch the new Clairy.
Let's start with design. Natede is extremely up-to-date, elegant and beautiful. Obviously, we made it eco-friendly and recyclable with an astonishing new biomaterial. R&D goes on. We are working with the best laboratories and universities in Europe. We also added a new incredible filtration process, photocatalysis. Natede is now able to eliminate VOCs, bacteria, virus, fine particulate and odors. And remember, there are no filters to change, and it's the only product that creates fresh new air. It's faster. We worked a lot with fluid dynamics experts, and this improved the purification performance range a lot. And also the capacity of the self-watering system has increased. Natede's technology unit is now more powerful and silent. We also redesigned and added more sensors. You will have the best ones to measure your air quality. And now, with the new LED interface, you just have to take a look at Natede to know about the air quality in your space. The app is great. Check the air quality in real time or the analytics, and much more. Thanks to Wi-Fi and now also Bluetooth, Natede can be connected to really everything. It will be always with you and monitor the situation for you. What hasn't changed? The importance of plants and nature, of course, and our mission to find new solutions to bring fresh air, technology, and beautiful design for you.
So come with us in this journey. We need your help.